Guys and girls, let's settle this for once and for all because this is the exact same situation every year. When you ask your brother what is he gifting you for this Raksha Bandhan, he says kuch bhi. And when your brother asks you what do you want this Rakhi, you actually happen to send him your whole wish list, which is no less than a novel. And trust me, this confuses your brother more than anything. So this year I decided that I am giving you this ultimate gifting guide for Rakhi because very soon Raksha Bandhan, favorite festival that celebrates the bond between a brother and sister, is really round the corner. And no, this video is not just for sisters who can send this to their brothers, but it is also for the brothers who are always so confused what are they going to give their sisters on this auspicious occasion. Hello my precious people, what is up? Hope you all are doing pretty well. This is your girl Vin and welcome to my YouTube channel The Sassy Leo. Guys, this video is going to be an ultimate gifting guide for Raksha Bandhan, and in this video I have included each and every gift probably that you could gift your sister, and she would literally have tears that you, yes you, their brothers, have thought so much about them and curated a proper gift that you actually put efforts on. I have also divided all these gifts according to the categories, so you may very easily select a category according to your sister's personality. So if you want to know what all gifts am I talking about, then please make sure you watch this video till the very end. But before moving ahead, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you're seeing this face for the very first time, hi, I am the Sassy Leovin, and I would also love it if you subscribe to my channel by clicking the underneath red subscribe button into grey and hitting the bell icon besides it. And now without any further delay, let's just gear up and get going. Now, starting with the number one, I feel this is the most underrated one, but probably the best gift you can give. And this one is vintage watches. And no, brothers, I am not talking about Rolex, so don't get scared, but there are a lot of options that you can choose from. Those are affordable ones, okay, so don't worry about that. But the vintage watches are so much in trend right now, and if your sister is kind of old money, timeless, vintage aesthetic, then you may definitely go ahead with this one. And the best part is that your sister can style it with western as well as traditional outfits, so this can be definitely a good option. Number two comes perfumes, and one can never go wrong with this one. I am not talking about Carolina Herrera. Okay, there are indeed a lot of gifting options in the market where you can literally buy mini perfumes or curate a perfume hamper for your sister. Just don't go and pick any kind of a perfume. Just see what your sister prefers for every day, whether it is musky, floral, woody, sweet. Think about your sibling and definitely pick the one that matches with her vibe. If you're confused, you may also curate a hamper for your sister. This can definitely make one of the best gifts you give to your sister. Just one thing, put on a bit of efforts. Just don't rush into any shop and buy because the perfume bottle is pretty. Just think about the vibe that your sister loves to wear and select according to that. Number three comes hair tools, and you know what? Calm down, calm down. I know Dyson is really trendy, but it is so expensive. Don't worry, I am not talking about Dyson. But you may definitely go ahead with straightener or hair curling tool, or maybe the automatic hair curler or hot air brush. You know what? Hair tools are kind of things which look extremely luxurious, but they are really very practical. For number four, we have Desi Core Outfit Aesthetics, and no, I am not just talking about the top or just the bottom. I am talking about the full outfit aesthetic, be it such kind of a short kurti with bell sleeves and a baggy bottom jeans, Also try to include accessories in it so that your sister can curate a full-fledged outfit. For the accessories, I am talking about the very trendy Kashmiri jhumkas, bangle stacks. Aajkal jelly bangles are literally everywhere. Don't forget the bangles with little ghungroos. Those look actually so cute. And also do not forget to include juttis. And with all of these, without thinking much, your sister can definitely curate a full-fledged outfit. Number next is for the sibling who does not need much crockery but will still buy it. This is for that aesthetically pleasing one, and you may definitely gift her cute crockeries, cup and saucer sets, acha bowls, cute mugs. It's simple, useful and very Instagram friendly, which, let's be honest, definitely matters. Number next is beauty hampers. Now we are talking. But you need to curate a beauty hamper. Don't just throw 15 random products and call it a hamper. No. You may also curate a theme based hamper which contains maybe no makeup kind of theme, or maybe soft glam, or just party ready. So such kind of personalized hampers definitely help. Next up again we have hamper, but this time we need to be a little more careful because here we are curating skincare hamper for your sister. Now you need to understand what your sister's skin type is so that you can actually add products according to them. If you want, there are a lot of brands like Body Shop, Face Shop, Sol de Janeiro, which actually give you a pre-curated hamper, which you can definitely go ahead with because these actually feel so luxurious. And if your sister is into self-care, skincare, she would definitely love this kind of a gift. But if you are curating it, then please make sure what her skin type is and add a moisturizer according to that. Add sheet masks, hand cream, body care products, lip care, and you may never go wrong with this. Moving ahead to number next, we have bags and clutches. Now a lot of tote bags, puffy ones are going so viral, and with the tote bags you may also add that cute little charm in which your sister can drop in her favorite lip gloss and carry it as a charm along with the tote bag. Number next is tumblers. Now I know each and every girl, believe me or not, each and every girl is so obsessed with using tumblers. And if you're gifting it, you are also telling your sister that you care, because tumblers may, of course, she can add water and keep sipping it. Tumblers these days have somehow become a personality trait. You may even personalize the tumblers by adding the initials of your sister on that. Also, while gifting tumblers, do not forget to add some chocolates, hair clips, hair scrunchies, lip balm or skincare minis, so the tumbler becomes the outer packaging, and here you have a full hamper. Next up we have is for the nail girdlies who actually do their nails every 5 days. Now, in order to curate a full nail hamper, you don't need a lot of products. You definitely need a base coat, a top coat, 2 to 3 nail products, nail art tools. Also don't forget UV lamp if you are adding gel nail colors, nail stickers, and also don't forget to add a cuticle oil. Next comes personalized jewelry. Now here things get a bit sentimental. For this, you may add initial necklaces, name bracelet, birthstone jewelry, dates, or even an inside joke between you and your sister. You know, this gift doesn't say that I bought this because Rakhi is here. This gift screams, I know you. And that definitely makes a huge difference. Moving ahead, we have spa and facial kits. Oh God. This is so relaxing. Even the thought of it feels so good. Now, I know if you're gifting your sister a spa or facial kit, then she has to do all by herself. But you know what? This is so relaxing. Also, don't forget to add body scrub, bath products, masks, be it hair mask or face mask or even eye mask. Also don't forget to add a cute little note that says your appointment with yourself is booked. Next up we have mani pedi kit, and again this is for that self-care girly sister who is obsessed with maintaining her hand and feet. This is probably one of the most cutest gifts you can gift her, because you know this can surprisingly be so affordable. You may add a foot soak, scrub, moisturizer, cuticle oil, a bit of mani pedi tools. Also, do not forget to add a headband and cute little fluffy socks for that cozy feel. For number 14, we have scented candles, essential oils, and aromatherapy kits. This is for the sister who likes her room to smell like a 5-star hotel. You may add scented candles, diffusers, essential oils, and whatnot. Do not forget to add a cute little candle holder, which is very Pinterest coded. Next up we have is again for beauty lovers. So beauty lovers, we are not done yet. This is something you're gonna love it, and it is nothing but lippy bundles. Oh gosh, this is going to be such an easy gift. Just add one nude, one brown, one red, one pink lippy, one gloss, and one lip liner, and that's it. Your capsule lippy bundle is all ready. Next up we have is hair care, and for that you may curate a hair care box which includes hair oil, shampoo, conditioner, mask, serum, a scalp treatment. Also, do not forget to add cute claw clip, satin pillowcase, and silk scrunchies. And please, brothers, don't forget to see if your sister's hair is curly, then gift her a curly hair routine. Number 17, we have beauty advent mystery boxes. Now here आपको ज़्यादा मेहनत करने की नीड नहीं है. देर आर अ लॉट ऑफ ब्रांड्स हु सेल ब्यूटी मिस्ट्री बॉक्सेस. You don't know what is in that box. Only the person from the brand जो वो curate कर रहे हैं, only that person knows what they are sending. And you may even ask your sister to unbox it in front of you, and you may capture your sister's reaction. For number 18, again, this is not for beauty, but it is for the sister who is a jewelry paglu, and again it is ज्वेलरी मिस्ट्री बॉक्स. नाउ अगेन इसमें आपको फिर से मेहनत करने की कोई नीड नहीं है. अ लॉट ऑफ ब्रांड्स ऑनलाइन डू सेल मिस्ट्री ज्वेलरी बॉक्सेस, एंड उन बॉक्सेस में काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें होती है, ट्रस्ट मी, एंड योर ज्वेलरी पगलू सिस्टर इज गोइंग टू लव इट. नंबर नेक्स्ट इज फॉर the reader sister who loves to read, and this one is a Kindle e-reader. Last year I think my brother gifted me a Kindle e-reader, and trust me, it is one of the best gifts you can give to your sister. Also, don't forget to add your cute little subscriptions. For number 20, we have sunglasses. And I am not talking about those old boring sunglasses. I am talking about the geometric ones, which are smaller in size. Those are so trendy these days. Again, I am not talking about the Ray-Ban ones, because those are quite expensive, but a lot, trust me, a lot of options are available in the market where you can find good quality, trendy looking boho sunglasses. For number 21, we have mini Insta camera, and this is not just a gift, but if you are gifting this, you are telling your sister to keep memories of each and everything, be it birthday parties, family trekking, picnics, outings, whatever. You are just telling your sister to keep all your sweet memories intact. Number 22 is an emotional and sentimental one, because number 22 is siblings photo LED lamp. Oh god, you may never go wrong with this one, because this one is so cute and it's decorative, sentimental, and personal. Next we have is a journaling kit, and this is for the sisters who are always like she needs to figure her life out, not just one book. I am talking about the whole journaling kit, where you can add normal journal, a gratitude journal, stationery, cute highlighters, sticky tapes. Trust me, you can never go wrong with stationeries. For number next, we have mini projectors. This is for the sister who loves movie nights. Like imagine you can literally turn her room into a mini cinema. For the last but the one, we have customized neon signs. If your sister is into home decor, room decor, you may gift her a customized sign, like you may add her name, or even small cute little codes that just come with 2 to 3 words like carpe diem, you know, like something that would give her motivation. Actually, this might be the perfect sibling gift. For the last one, that is number 26th, we have scrapbook of childhood photos. Oh god, this is something that can be the cutest. I genuinely think this can beat some of the most expensive gifts on this list. You know why? Because you are putting your own efforts in that, and nothing, trust me, nothing is more important than efforts. Write stories, add little captions. So yeah guys, with this I gave ultimate 26 gifting guide for Raksha Bandhan 2026. And what kind of a person is your sister? Is she a self-care girly, a makeup paglu, a jewelry paglu, an aesthetic girly, or what? Please do tell me in the comments. And if you are a sister, then do not forget to share this video with your brother so that you would give him a hint about what do you want this Raksha Bandhan. And with this, we come to an end of today's video. If you like such kind of videos, then please give it a big fat thumbs up, share as much as possible, subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my socials. Link in the description bar below. Also write down in the comment section what do you want to see next. Remember, your wish is my command. Until then, this is me, Vin, signing off. I shall see you all in my next video. Bye and happy Rakhi!